Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about those universities having deadline is 30th of April, in May or in June. So including CSC scholarship, Shanghai government scholarship, university scholarship and local provisional scholarship. All these kind of scholarship we will discuss in this video. So let's start. Type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here is the website cscguideofficial.com. You can get everything regarding CSC scholarship, professors email, required documents and a list of universities under CSC scholarships. So all these information you can get here. So click on CSC scholarship admissions and you can see here is the detail of all those universities having deadline in May, April or in June. So you can get, so we'll discuss about those universities having deadline in 30th of April mostly. Okay, the first one is Jiangsu government scholarship, CSC scholarship, and the deadline for Jiangsu government scholarship April. Jiangsu University CSC scholarship, the deadline for Jiangsu University is 25th of April 2021. No need to send hard copies. 200 RMB application fee. You first you fill CSC form and after that you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents. So you upload on university portal and CSC portal. So this document, don't confuse about this document, family financial statement. When you fill university online application form, they ask to upload family financial statement. So don't worry about this. The first page of your CSC online application form, upload the first page on that portion. So don't worry about this. Okay, and the next one is Shanghai Maritime University SMTU Shanghai government scholarship. 15th of May 2021 is the last date for Shanghai Maritime University. Okay, no need to send hard copies and no need to pay application fee. First you fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. Click here to fill the form and upload all the required documents and send your all these required documents to this email address. These are the email address. You can send email to both these email address. Don't worry about this. Okay, and the next one, Delhi University CSC scholarship, just online apply. 30th of April 2021 is the last date. You fill just CSC online application form and upload all required documents. No need to pay application fee, and you need to fill university form as well. Okay, and these are the required documents which you need to upload on university portal and CSC portal. Central South University Chinese government scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date for Central South University. No need to send hard copies at the time of beginning and the time of applying. You no need to send hard copies, just online apply. And these are the categories you can check. So from students from African countries and China Africa scholarship program, and then Silk Road scholarship program and other university program as well. So Central South University, first you fill CSC form. After passing the initial review, you need to fill pay. Central South University you need to pay 500 RMB application fee after passing the initial review. First you fill CSC form and after that you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents. You can check the result. Click here to check the result. 2020 CSC scholarship results. Here they select I think almost 100 plus students for scholarship, for CSC scholarship, and 200 for university scholarship. So the next one is Chongqing University CSC scholarship. 25th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. First you fill CSC form, after that you fill Chongqing University form, and after filling Chongqing University form, upload all required documents, and 400 RMB application fee you need to pay for Chongqing CSC scholarship for Chongqing University. And when you fill the CSC online application form, you need to send your fee receipt to this email address, and the remark on your bank transfer slip is your name and your passport number. Okay, first you fill CSC form and after that you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents which you need to upload on university portal and CSC portal. Okay, and the next one is Henan University CSC scholarship. Henan, the 30th of April 2021 is the last day. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. For CSC scholarship, first you fill CSC form and after that you need to fill university online application form. Okay, and no need to pay application fee. Okay, the next one is Chiang University presidential scholarship. Scholarship stipend is 2000 RMB, 20,000 RMB for master, 25,000 RMB for PhD, and for undergraduate students 15,000 RMB per year. Okay, 15th of June 15th 2021 is the last date. Okay, So for payment you need to pay the application fee till June 2020, and 400 RMB application fee you need to pay after passing the initial review. First you fill Chongqing Chang'an University online application form, and these are the required documents which you need to upload on university portal. Okay, and the next one is China Three Gorgeous University CSE scholarship. 30th of April 2021 is the last date. No need to send hard copies, and no need to pay application fee. First you fill CSE form, and after that you need to fill university form, and 30th of April 2021 is the last date. First you fill CSE form, and after that you need to fill university application form. Okay, and these are the required documents which you need to upload on university portal. And after that, when you fill both this form and send your self introduction video with your passport number and your full name to this email address. Okay, and the next one, Yunnan Normal University Yunnan Provisional Government Scholarship. Just online apply. 20th April 2020. 20th of April 2021 is the last date. Free registration, tuition fee, basic textbook, and these kind of things. And they not provide any kind of stipend, I think. Okay, so without stipend you can apply if you want to. If you think that you can survive without stipend, then you can apply. Okay, how to apply for this scholarship? First you fill Yunnan Normal University online application form. After that you need to fill all required documents on upload all required documents on university portal, and these are the required documents which you upload on university portal. Tianjin University Paying Future Scholarship. Okay, for this is for PhD students only. 30 to 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, and 15th of May 2021 is the last day. First you fill Tianjin University online application form, upload all required documents. No need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. Click here to apply on university portal, and these are the required documents which you need to upload on university portal. The next one is Hubei Provisional Scholarship China Three Gorgeous University CTGU. Okay, monthly allowance you can see. Here is the requirement. Here is the yearly allowance which they provide. Fully funded scholarship. May 30th May 2021 is the last date. No need to pay application fee, and these are the major which they offer scholarships, which they offer scholarship to these major. They offer scholarships. So first you fill CSE form. First you fill university online application form. Click here and upload all these required documents on this portal. Okay. No, Anhui Agriculture University. Anhui Agriculture University CSE scholarship, Chinese government scholarship. For master PhD, 30th of April 2021 is the last date, and you must send your documents to this email address. Okay, and first you fill CSE form, and after that, and you need to pay 400 RMB application fee. These are the bank details in which you deposit your 400 RMB application fee. If you are in China, then this is the detail, and if you are out of China, then this is your detail. Click here to apply on university portal, CSE portal. Okay, and these are the required documents which you upload just on your CSE portal. No need to apply on university portal. And the next one is Henan University Provisional Government Scholarship. Henan University, master PhD and undergraduate students. So fee, tuition fee, registration fee, medical insurance, and fee viewed. No monthly stipend. Okay, just covering tuition fee and all other expenses. 30th of April 2021 is the last date. First you fill university online application form. Click here to apply on university online application form and upload all these required documents. Okay, and you also need to send your hard copies. You need to send hard copies to this email address. Here is the email address. And for more information, if you want to get contact from the university, then contact on this email phone number and this email address. You can ask from them either they required or not. According to their official advertisement, they need hard copies. Okay, next one, Harvard Engineering University scholarship, fully funded scholarship. This is for master and PhD, same like CSE scholarship. 31st of May 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. But for this for university scholarship, you need to pay 400 RMB application fee. Okay, first you just fill university online application form and upload all these required documents. Okay, the next one is Shanghai Normal University scholarship. Monthly allowance they not mention on their official advertisement, but 30th of April 2021 is the last date to apply for this scholarship, because this university don't have any application fee and no need to send hard copies. So just university online application form, fill university online application form and upload all these required documents. The next one is Jiangnan University Jiangsu government scholarship. They provide, you can check the stipend detail here, 15,000 for bachelor yearly allowance, okay, and 25,000 for master and 30,000 for PhD. Divide this stipend to 12, then you can get your monthly stipend. Okay, just online apply, and deadline is May. Just fill university online application form and need to pay 400 RMB application fee as well, and these are the required documents which you need to upload on this portal. Okay, next one, Yunnan Provisional Government Scholarship, Chongqing Medical University Yunnan Provisional Government Scholarship. Okay, Chongqing Medical University, 20th of April 2021 is the last date. Stipend you can check here, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. Age limit you can check here. First you fill Chongqing University online application form and upload all these required documents, and this you need to upload this application form on university portal as well. The next one, Yunnan Provisional Government Scholarship, Kang University of Science and Technology Yunnan Provisional Government Scholarship. 30th of April 2021 is the last date, same stipend. Okay, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee, and fill CSE university form and upload all these required documents. And Ningxia University CSE scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. No need to pay application fee, no need to send hard copies, and these are the required documents which you just fill CSE form and upload all these required documents. Next one is Nanjing University of Science and Technology Nanjing Medical Government Scholarship, Nanjing Municipal Government Scholarship. Check same like CSE, and you must just online apply and send your documents to this email address, and your email title is your last name, passport number, application number, okay, which you apply after applying your university online application form. 30th of May 2021 is the last date. Just fill university online application form, okay, and upload all these required documents. Next one is Nankai University CSE scholarship, Silk Road scholarship program. 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. First you fill CSE form, after that you need to fill university online application form and upload all these required documents to both these portals, okay, CSE form and university form. Upload all these required documents. Next one is Tianjin University Tianjin government scholarship. Check the stipend here, 1700 RMB per month for 10 month only, and tuition fee they cover 30,000, and rest of the fee you need to pay by self. Okay, January 1 2021 is the last, June 1 2021 is the last date. Okay, you just fill Tianjin University online application form and upload all these required documents. Next one is Liaoning Technical University CSE scholarship. 30th of April 2021 is the last date, and you need to send your soft documents to this email address. If it's not compulsory, this is for safe side if you want to apply, if you want to send, but when you fill CSE online application form, your data has been sent to that desired university which you put the CSE agency number when you fill CSE online application form. So upload all these required documents on CSE form, your application will be submitted. Chongqing University ZZU Henan government scholarship, the largest university of China. So Henan government scholarship, and these are the stipend details. No monthly stipend, no dormitory free, just they cover CSE, just they cover tuition fee, 30,000 for master, and the rest of them you need to pay by self, and 40,000 for PhD. Okay, and for bachelor 15,000. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 30th of May 2021 is the last date. Just fill GZU online application form and upload all these required documents. You need to upload this form, Henan government scholarship form, on university portal as well. And the next one is the Graduate School of Chinese Academy of Science at GS-CAS. 30th of April 2021 is the last day. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. First you fill CSE form, after that you need to fill GS-CAS online application form and upload all these required documents on university portal. The next, Chongqing Medical University CSE scholarship, just online apply. 30th of May 2021 is the last date. You need to fill CSE form, just fill CSE form and CSE university form, and no need to send hard copies, just online apply, no need to pay application fee as well. These are the required documents which you need to upload on this portal. Shanghai Ocean University Chinese government scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Okay, first you fill CSE form, after that you need to fill Shanghai or Ocean University online application form and need to pay 400 RMB application fee after submitting Shanghai Ocean University form. The next one is Shanghai government scholarship, Shanghai Ocean University. Okay, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Same stipend like same stipend like CSE. Okay, and first you fill Shanghai form, Shanghai online application form, Shanghai government scholarship, and after that you need to fill Shanghai Ocean University online application form and upload all these required documents. Shanghai Ocean University presidential scholarship stipend you can check here, and 30th of May 2021 is the last date. First you fill Shanghai, just you fill Shanghai Ocean University online application form. Okay, and need to pay 400 RMB application fee. Beijing Normal University, BJNU, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. It's mentioned on the bottom. It's mentioned here, 30th of April. Apply online and send documents to the university. Okay, first you fill CSE form, and after that you need to fill university online application form. Okay, and need to pay 600 RMB application fee and send your required documents to this email address. Okay, service you can use this. It's EMS, DHL, FedEx or UPS for mailing address. You can use these services. Upload all the required documents. And Jiangsu University is easy. You presidential scholarship for PID. Just for PID stipend same like CSE, and 15th of June 2021 is the last date. Click here to apply on university portal. Okay, and upload all these required documents. You must upload the Jiangsu University presidential scholarship application form on university portal. Also scholarship for young talents. They extend here the deadline to 30th of April 2021. You can apply for this scholarship. Chinese government scholarship, Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication CSE scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Okay, first you fill CSE form, after that you need to fill university only application form and upload all these required documents. The next one is Jiangnan University. Jiangnan University, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply. Just fill CSE form, and after that you need to fill university form, online application form, upload all these required documents. These are the required documents which you need to upload, and but you check your major. These are the major which they offer for scholarship. Okay. Southwest University CSE scholarship. The deadline is in April. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. Just fill CSE form and wait for the results. Okay. For more confirmation, you can contact with the international office email address by email. Contact with them on email or phone number. Shakedown University, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Okay, for this you need to fill CSE form. After that you need to fill university online application form, and you need to pay for 600 RMB application fee and upload all the required documents. These are all required documents which you need to upload on both these portals, CSE portal and university portal. Zongnam University of Economics and Law, 1st May 2021 is the last. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. You need to fill CSE form and just CSE form. No need to apply on university portal and wait for the upload all the required documents. Shenzhen University CSE scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Apply online and send documents to the university address. Okay, first you fill CSE form and upload all these required documents and send your documents to this email address. This is the mailing address. Bihang University BUA, BUAA, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply and send documents to the university email address, not in hard form, just email. These are the majors you can check. And how to apply for this: first you fill CSE form, and you need to pay 400 RMB application fee, and this is the bank detail. Just to fill CSE form and university form, both these form apply on both these form, fill this form and upload all these required documents to these portal, both these portal, and send your documents to this email address in PDF form. Okay. And Guangxi Normal University, 30th of April 2021 is the last day. Just online apply. First you fill CSE online application form and upload all these required documents on this portal. Okay. Beijing Jiaotang University, May 15th 2021 is the last day. Just online apply and first fill CSE form. After that you need to fill university form. This is the university form and this is the CSE form, and you need, after filling university form, you need to pay 600 RMB I think, or 500 RMB you need to pay application fee. You need to upload all these required documents. Nanjing University of Science and Technology and just CSE scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, and applicants should email your documents to as PDF form to this email address, and your file name is, and your file name and your your email subject same like this, last name, your passport number, and your serial number. Okay, first you fill CSC online application form. After that you need to fill USD online application form and need to pay application fee to this. This is the bank detail. First you fill CSC form. After that you need to fill USD form and upload all these required documents on USD portal and CSC portal and send your documents to this email address. Next, Nanjing Normal University CSC scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply. First you fill CSC form. After that you need to fill USD form and upload all these required documents. Lanzhou University, Lanzhou Jiotang University, 30th of April 2021 is the last date, and fill form and send documents to the university. First just you fill CSC form and upload all these required documents to on this portal and then send your documents to this email address. You can contact for more information regarding your hard copies. Contact with the university email address. Jilin University, hard copy is required for Jilin University. It's confirmed because students are studying there, so I asked from them. They say yes, hard copy is required. 23rd April is the last date, and you just fill CSC form and university form and upload all these required documents and send to their email address as well. Their mailing address as well. Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication Presidential Scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies and fill online form. Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication online form and presidential scholarship. You need to upload this form on this portal and upload all these required documents, other documents. Next, CQUPT Mayor Scholarship stipend, you can check here, and 30th of April 2021 is the last date. First you fill CQUPT online form and upload all required documents, and you need to upload this form as well. Okay, and these are the required documents. Lanzhou University, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. Okay, and no application fee. First you fill CSC form. After that you need to fill university form, and these are the required documents. All these required documents. It's optional. Acceptance letter is optional. Central South University Scholarship stipend, you can check here, and 30th of May 2021 is the last date. If you are already rejected from some universities and you need to apply for another university, you want to apply for other university, then this is the best choice. 500 RM application fee you need to pay after passing the initial review. First you fill university online application form, click here and upload all these required documents. Bank statement, the statement did not get any other form of it. Click here because they want to confirm that either you have any other source of funding, means like you, or if you got already scholarship, any already scholarship, then they will not offer scholarship to you. So it's up to you. Hawaii University Chinese government scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. And first you fill CSC form. After that you need to fill university form, and you need to pay 400 RMB application fee after filling both these forms. Hawaii University scholarship, this 30th of May for university scholarship, 30th of May 2021 is the last date, and stipend you can check here. And the next one is eligibility criteria is bachelor, master and PhD, and you will fill university online application form just, and need to pay 400 RMB application fee and upload all the required documents. Economic proof you should need to provide them, that either a salary slip or any kind of, you can get click here to get click to get the sample. Southeast University Presidential Scholarship, May 30th 2021 is the last date. Okay, already some students are applied and they need to pay 400 RM application fee, but actually it's not any kind of any application fee. They just send reminder email to the students, pay the application fee, and along with application fee they also mention that no need to pay application fee. So don't worry about this, no need to pay application fee for Southeast University after filling the CSC form, university form, sorry. Just fill university form and upload all the required documents on university form. Next one is Northeast Electric Power University, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Online apply and send documents to the university. First you fill no need to pay application fee. Fill Chinese government scholarship application form and upload all the required documents and send your documents to this email address. Chongqing University Chinese government scholarship, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Chinese government scholarship, no need just online apply, no need to send hard copies, just online apply. And first you fill CSE form. After that you need to click here to fill CSE form, and click here to fill Chongqing University University form. You need to pay 400 RMB application fee, and these are the required documents which you need to upload on CSE portal and Chongqing University portal. Chongqing University Shanghai government scholarship. For Shanghai government scholarship, all these activities are same, all these requirements are same, but instead of CSE form you need to fill Shanghai government scholarship application form, and you need to pay need to upload all these required documents. And China University of Petroleum, Chinese local government scholarship, these are the details regarding scholarship. They just cover tuition fee. For PhD they cover tuition fee and accommodation as well, and 10,000 RMB stipend per year. July 15th 2021 is the last date. Okay, and you just fill university online application form, no need to pay application fee, and these are the required documents, and these are the major which they offer scholarships. Shanghai International Studies University SISU, 31st of April, just online apply, no need to pay application, no need to send hard copies, and no need to pay 800 RMB application fee. You need to pay 800 RMB application fee. First you fill CSE form, and after that you need to fill university form and upload all these required documents on CSE and university portal. Next one is Shanghai International Studies University SISU, 15th of May 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, just online apply. First you fill Shanghai government scholarship application form, and after that you need to fill Shanghai University online application form, Shanghai International Studies University online application form, and these are the required documents. Okay, you can apply for both these scholarship as well. Central China Normal CCNU, 10th of June 2021 is the last date. Just online apply Chinese government scholarship, and first you fill CSE form and upload documents on CSE form. Just to fill CSE form and upload all these required documents. No need to fill university online application form. Next one, Jiangsu University, 30th of April 2021 is the last date. Here's the sorry. Here's is the 30th of April deadline, and you need to send your documents as well. You need to send just online apply. Sorry, you need to no need to send hard copies. Just fill the CSE form and upload all these required documents. Okay, you for further contact you can contact with this email address. Chongqing University Presidential Scholarship. Okay, 15th of May 2021 is the last date. Stipend you can check here, and just fill university form and need to pay 400 RMB application fee and upload all these required documents. Next one is Chongqing University Municipal Mayor Scholarship, 15th May 2021 is the last date. Stipend you can check here, and first you fill Chongqing University online application form and upload all these required documents. Okay, the next one is University of Science and Technology China, USTC. They extend their deadline to 30th of April. You can check scholarship, answer scholarship on their official advertisement as well. So next one, Guangxi University. Guangxi University, 30th of April 2021 is the last day. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. First you fill CSE form, after that you need to fill university online application form, and you send your documents to this email address. Okay, and upload all the required documents on CSE portal and university portal. Shanghai University CSE Scholarship. For Shanghai University CSE Scholarship, 15th of May 2021 is the last date. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies, and first you fill CSE form, after that you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents. Next one is Shanghai University Shanghai Government Scholarship. 15th of May 2021 is the last date. Okay, first you fill Shanghai Government Scholarship application form, after that you need to fill Shanghai University online application form. If you want to apply for Shanghai Government Scholarship and CSE Scholarship for Shanghai University at the same time, you can apply. Okay, Hunan University CSE Scholarship. Hunan University CSE Scholarship online apply and need to send hard copies. It's confirmed. Hard copies are required. 30th of April 2021 is the last date, and these are the majors. And first you fill CSE form and upload all these required documents to on CSE portal, and send your documents to this mailing address. Hope so you get everything which you want, and hope so in the coming days we make other scholarship as well. Having deadline is having deadline 30th of April, and in May, June, July. Okay, good luck and take care of yourself.